Shows the systolic blood pressure of 45 patients. So the first question has asked us to calculate for the modal class. So in calculate for the modal class, look at the class with the highest frequency. So checking the table, we have 14 to be the highest frequency. So you trace it to the class, and you are having 120 to 129. So the modal class for the first question is 120 to 129. The second question has asked us to calculate for the mode. And in calculating for the mode, the formula is LM, which is the lower class boundary, plus F1. The F1 is the frequency of the modal class. And the F0 is the frequency of the class before the modal class. And the F2 is the frequency of the class after the modal class. And you have the H to be the class weight. So in you have to identify our parameters first. So lower the lower limit, to get the lower limit, we're going to subtract 0.5 from the lower limit. So we are having lower limit minus 0.5. So I'm going to have 120 minus 0.5. Then we get 119.5. Then our F1 is the frequency of the modal class. So the frequency of the modal class is 14. And frequency of the class before the modal class is 9 from the table. Then the frequency of the class after the modal class is 10. Then we have the class weight to be the upper limit minus the lower limit plus 1. So I'm going to have 129 minus 120 plus 1, and which will be 10. So I'm going to compute our values into the formula to get the mode. So you have the mode to be equal to, we have our LM to be 119.5 plus, then our F1 to be 14, then our F0 to be 9. So I'm going to have 2 times 14 minus the F0, which is 9, minus the frequency after the modal class to be 10. Then we multiply by the class weight, which is also 10. Okay. So here you have to solve the one in the bracket first because it's a board mass. So when you subtract the 9 from the 14, you get 5. Then here you get 2 times 14 is 28. 28, so okay, 9. Okay. Times 10. Okay. So you're going to get 119.5 plus total 0.5 times 10, which will be 5. 5.55. Okay, so we're going to have our final answer to be 125. Okay, millimeter of mercury. Okay, so we have our mode to be 125 millimeter of mercury.